What happens if we turn an entire planet into a soccer ball and kick it? Some will strike like a speeding semi-truck. Others will flash freeze flesh into glass or trigger a detonation that vaporizes your limb entirely. A select few, you can actually launch them. To make this a fair cosmic soccer game, we need to lock in 3 ground rules. The setup. The ball sits completely still on the ground. Every ball is locked at a standard size 5 volume, but packed with each planet's real-world density. Since size is constant and only density changes, the mass scales down to something we can actually lift, or at least try to. The kick. Our kicker is a standard 80-kilogram male with normal human bone density. A brutal roundhouse smashes his instep right across the laces at 18.3 meters per second, with the impact unfolding within an 8.0 millisecond contact window. The variable. The only thing we are swapping out is the ball itself, packing it with the real-world weight, crushing density, and volatile atmospheres of different worlds. So the stage is set and the ER beds are on standby. Let's begin with the rocky inner worlds of our solar system. Mercury. Kicking this 30-kilogram iron core soccer ball is like striking a solid anvil. With 0 atmosphere and a rigid silicate crust, kicking it slams a crushing force of 7 tons directly back into your leg. That's like dropping 18 giant bluefin tunas onto your ankle, shattering human bone thresholds by 15 times. The ball merely shudders an inch. Your leg becomes an organic crumple zone. Those tunas instantly pulverized into a liquid paste. Total waste of a perfectly good dinner. Venus. This hellscape of atmospheric pressure and mechanical destruction packs a compressed, above 400 degrees Celsius supercritical fluid envelope inside its 29-kilogram mass. Reaching the ball's outer shell instantly triggers a violent, boiling liquid expanding vapor explosion. The resulting supersonic blast wave aggressively shreds your footwear, skin, and muscle before intense heat can even burn the remains. This impact delivers a crushing 7-ton force, obliterating your leg bones while the ball barely twitches. That's the equivalent of dropping 34 giant arapaimas onto your limb and scorching them into charred debris. Another perfect fish fillet, completely ruined by the cosmos. Earth. Dropping 3 giant mola molas straight onto your limb is the physical equivalent of kicking a ball made of our home planet. Packing a dense iron core into a 31-kilogram sphere, Earth's surface water behaves like a highly incompressible solid. Striking this fluid layer at 18.3 meters per second generates a punishing 167 kilopascal dynamic pressure, slamming your foot with a massive hydrodynamic shock before you even touch the granite below. The final impact delivers a crushing 7-ton force. Disappointment hits right at home as those 3 mola molas are reduced to waterlogged mush, completely unfit for consumption. Mars. This soccer ball is a dry, rigid sphere of iron oxide and basalt weighing 22 kilograms. Kicking it unleashes a crushing force of 5 tons, causing catastrophic, twisting fractures, snapping your tibia through mechanical trauma. The trauma is like dropping 3 giant oceanic manta rays onto your limb, while the ball merely jolts an inch forward. That mechanical force tears through the delicate wing meat of those manta rays, utterly ruining a potentially magnificent grilled seafood platter. Jupiter. Imagine dropping 3 jumbo female great hammerheads onto your limb. That's the exact 1.7-ton crushing force this impact delivers. This gas giant weighs only 7 kilograms, but the atomic shift from your foot breaking the outer layers causes its core of pressurized metallic hydrogen to instantly recombine into normal gas. This detonates the equivalent of exactly 191 kilograms of TNT. While the core violently destabilizes, heat hotter than the sun vaporizes your leg. This atomic phase change explosion vaporizes them into nothingness. So long to that promising shark steak dinner. Saturn. This ringed giant combines cryogenic cold with a deadly explosion packed into a ball weighing only 4 kilograms. Its liquid helium and hydrogen flash freeze flesh on contact, turning it as brittle as glass. The moment you kick it, loss of pressure causes the supercooled liquids to expand and explode, shattering your frozen limb while hitting with a force of 893 kilograms. That is like dropping 1 jumbo female Atlantic blue marlin onto your limb. While the ball flies forward, the cryogenic blast simultaneously shatters our prime blue marlin into useless ice shards. No fish steak tonight. Uranus. Dropping 2 giant tiger sharks straight onto your limb is the physical equivalent of the 1.7-ton crushing force delivered by this 7-kilogram ice giant. Uranus contains a highly pressurized, superheated mantle of dense ionic fluid, so breaching the surface causes rapid depressurization and outgassing. While the ball shoots forward, the sudden release of volatile ammonia and methane causes severe post-impact chemical burns accompanied by mechanical fractures. The toxic outgassing immediately contaminates the tiger sharks while flash freezing them solid, instantly killing any hope of a seasoned shark steak. Neptune. This 9-kilogram ice giant adds high-speed diamond shrapnel to its freezing trauma. Its horror is a superionic water mantle compressed under millions of atmospheres. Kicking it delivers a crushing force of 2 tons, causing superionic water to explode into steam and plasma, launching internal diamonds outward like a shotgun blast. The impact is like dropping 7 giant freshwater stingrays onto your limb. While the ball flies forward, the diamond shotgun blast shreds those giant stingrays into a useless mess. The universe remains uncooperative with my desire for fried fish. Pluto. This frozen dwarf planet gives a temporary illusion of safety before destroying your limb. This 10-kilogram ball is composed of nitrogen and methane ice at 40 Kelvin, but kinetic heat from your foot causes the icy surface to sublimate instantly, forming a microscopic Leidenfrost gas shield. While the ball gives a tiny twitch, your foot pushes right through the gas layer and shatters against the frozen rock core. This fractures your entire bone structure with a crushing force of 2.4 tons, which is like dropping a pregnant great white shark straight onto your limb. That brutal impact leaves the rare great white shark pulverized into useless frozen debris, erasing any chance for an exotic steak. Ceres. This asteroid belt object slightly cushions the blow, but won't save you. Its porous, carbonaceous rock and ice act as a built-in crumple zone, extending impact duration to reduce peak force. Despite this, kicking the 12-kilogram sphere guarantees severe fractures, delivering a crushing force of 2.2 tons. That is like dropping 5 giant Goliath groupers straight onto your ankle. Instead of a cushion, the force completely crushes the delicate flesh, promptly canceling tonight's steamed fish dinner. Kepler 10b. Holding the record for the most devastating physical impact, this dense super-Earth features a tidally locked surface of liquid magma burning at over 1,500 degrees Celsius. Kicking this iron-packed 36-kilogram ball unleashes an unmatched crushing force of 8 tons, like dropping 6 giant beluga sturgeons onto your ankle. While the ball merely twitches an inch, extreme thermal energy instantly boils your cellular fluid. The 1,500 degrees Celsius magma incinerates the beluga sturgeons into ash, permanently deleting a world-class opportunity for premium caviar. WASP 12b. This is the only celestial body on this list that won't break a single bone. Kicking it delivers a force of 345 kilograms, like dropping 1 giant swordfish onto your limb, well within safe biological thresholds. Thanks to its bloated atmosphere, this soccer ball has a mass under 1.5 kilograms, allowing your leg to push it forward with minimal resistance. However, the planet consists of a superheated carbon plasma envelope sitting at nearly 3,000 degrees Celsius. As your foot passes easily through the mass, immense thermal radiation instantly burns away your shoe and flesh, leaving your intact skeleton totally carbonized. But finally, that plasma flash perfectly sears the giant swordfish in a millisecond. It's time for a perfect dinner. The universe is a massive, beautiful stadium, but the away games will instantly turn your legs into an organic crumple zone. If you enjoyed this brutal match against physics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Agent Valence on the next impossible adventure. Goodbye. And whatever you do, never try to slide tackle a gas giant.